Welcome to Module 9, Developing Key Proposal Sections. A proposal is a structured collection of interconnected sections, each serving a specific purpose and contributing to the overall persuasive narrative. In this module, we will delve into the critical process of developing these key sections, the technical, management, commercial, and legal parts. We will explore how to strategically construct a persuasive argument, build credibility, and guide the client toward a favorable decision. By the end of this module, you will have a deep understanding of how to craft a comprehensive and compelling response that showcases your organization's capabilities and commitment to meeting the client's needs. Module objectives. Participants will be able to develop key proposal sections, including the technical and management proposals, to showcase your solution, team, and experience. We'll understand the process of creating a clear and competitive commercial proposal with transparent pricing and terms. We'll understand how to ensure compliance and accuracy in legal, regulatory, and administrative sections. We'll learn to utilize appendices and supporting documentation to provide depth and validation to your proposal, ensuring it is comprehensive and persuasive. Technical proposal, demonstrating your solution and approach. The building blocks of persuasion. Welcome to Lecture 9.1. The technical proposal is the part of your bid that aims to convince the reader that you have the expertise, the understanding, and a well-defined plan to successfully execute the proposed work. It moves beyond the high-level overview in the executive summary and dives into the specifics of your methodology, technologies, and timelines. This is where conviction is built upon a foundation of logical reasoning and demonstrable competence. Key components of a compelling technical proposal. A robust technical proposal typically encompasses several key elements. Understanding of the requirements. You must showcase your insightful interpretation of the client's needs, not just reiterate them. Proposed solution. This is the heart of the proposal. You must detail your solution in a clear, concise, and logical manner. Technical approach and methodology. Describe the specific methods and processes you will use to implement your solution. Technology and tools. Specify the technology, software, and hardware you will use, and provide a clear justification for your choices. Project management plan. Outline your approach to managing the project, including team structure, communication protocols, and risk management strategies. Timeline and deliverables. Present a realistic and detailed project schedule with key milestones and deliverables. Demonstrating your solution beyond description. Simply describing your solution is insufficient. A compelling technical proposal actively demonstrates its value and feasibility. Evidence-based arguments. Back up your claims with data, research, and past successes. Refer to relevant industry standards, best practices, and your organization's track record. Instead of just saying, "Our solution is highly scalable." Use, "Our solution's architecture, as implemented for client Y, successfully handled a 300% increase in user traffic over 6 months. Case studies. Incorporate concise case studies of similar projects you have successfully completed. Highlight the challenges you faced, the solutions you implemented, and the positive outcomes achieved. Example, in a similar project for client name, we implemented a cloud-based solution that resulted in a 30% reduction in operational costs and a 20% improvement in processing speed. Proof of concept, POC, or prototypes. If feasible and requested, include a brief overview of a POC or prototype that demonstrates key aspects of your proposed solution. Purpose. Provides tangible evidence of your capabilities and the solution's effectiveness. Testimonials and references. Include relevant testimonials from satisfied clients who can attest to your technical expertise and delivery capabilities. Purpose. Provides third-party validation that builds credibility and trust. Demonstrating your approach. Highlighting your methodology. Your technical approach is not just a series of steps, it reflects your philosophy and expertise. To effectively demonstrate your approach, you must clearly and logically articulate your methodology to build confidence and trust. Clarity and logic. Present your methodology in a clear, logical, and easy-to-understand manner. Avoid jargon or technical terms that the reader may not be familiar with, or provide clear explanations, instead of a dense paragraph describing your methodology. Use a process flowchart that clearly illustrates the key phases, decision points, and communication channels. Alignment with best practices. Highlight how your approach aligns with industry best practices and recognized methodologies. This demonstrates your expertise and commitment to quality. Instead of just saying, "We will use an agile approach." Use our approach, which aligns with Agile and Scrum methodologies, ensures rapid development and continuous client feedback. Innovation and differentiation. If your approach incorporates innovative techniques or offers a unique advantage, clearly articulate this and explain its benefits. This is a key opportunity to stand out from the competition. Instead of, "We have a unique development process." Use our proprietary AI-driven development process reduces coding time by 20% and minimizes human error, resulting in a faster and more reliable deployment. Adaptability and flexibility. Demonstrate your ability to adapt your approach based on evolving requirements or unforeseen challenges. This shows foresight and preparedness. Instead of, "Our plan is fixed and will not change." Use our flexible methodology is designed to accommodate evolving requirements through an iterative process, ensuring the final solution is precisely what you need. Key takeaways. The technical proposal as a cornerstone of success. The technical proposal is a powerful tool for demonstrating your expertise, showcasing your solution, and building trust. By meticulously crafting each component, providing compelling evidence, and clearly articulating your approach, you can significantly increase your chances of success. Remember, the goal is not just to provide information, but to persuade the reader that you have the right solution and the right approach to deliver exceptional results.